I'm a certified AI specialist by both builders, but I think in this area certification doesn't last too long, to be honest. I want to tell you in this video reason why I'm obsessed with AI and why I think it's crucial. We will face economical situation that half of the people will lose their job and half of them get a promotion. And I want to make sure that TM community belongs to the second category, so they get a pay rise. Also, it is very important because I think there is a real chance that humanity will go extinct if we don't raise the consciousness level on the planet. If you take a look around, the pharaohs also use it, unfortunately, for army and for weapons, and I don't want this. I want to create abundance in the world, and the way how I envision it is I create a step-by-step AI. Those people heard of AI, but they are not skeptical and not IT people. They heard of AI and they might have misconceptions. Many times I hear it, and therefore they have fear in the heart. So I want to prevent it, and I already published on my YouTube a step-by-step AI course. If you record the basic movements of AI, it is a very practical case, then you will get better in using AI. So the better the quality of the prompt, the better responses you get. And I see that most people use it as an assistant, and I want them to use it as a coach to lead them to create the future. This is why I created meta prompting. So how you co-create, how you work together with AI, and I want to teach it to the entire TM community. And not just this, what I want to explain how the course works. So it will have very short lessons like this video, like 3 to 5 minutes. And below the video, there are few prompts. And usually they can copy paste the prompt and then they get the response. By this, I teach them the mental patterns, the thinking patterns. So you not just copy paste the prompt to just get the result, but also learn how to prompt yourself, so your prompts get better in quality and therefore you get better responses. This is the way how we grow, and this is the way how we learn to use AI in a practical way. Many courses are talking about theory and how large language models and whatever, but how you yourself use this with a single phone. You can access more computing power than Google just a few years ago, and I think this is critical, especially in these times when we also have to empower people, but we also have to raise the level of consciousness. And I see even IT people and even marketers, for example, in marketing foundation, they're not advanced in using AI. And I want to teach the entire community how to use AI in a practical step-by-step fashion. Therefore, I want to create 3 courses for TM people specifically, and I need some publicity for this. So it means that I want to reach those who practice TM, and I want to focus on this specifically for a period of time. And I think they will lead me by questions or like asking the common questions. Then it's not just I say what they should know. This is the old way of thinking, but I ask them back what are their levels and where they want to go and feel stuck, so I can help them with specific videos and specific prompts for specific use cases. Of course, this is just the beginning, but in long term, for example, my obsession is how to use AI to generate voice and record videos and video courses, so it can lead to many use cases, especially in our market. It's beneficial, especially in those markets. You coach, teach, consult to any sort of professional services. I don't want people to have fear from it. I want them to have abundance mindset. So I want to create AI specific courses, and I call this entire project AI abundance because I want to create abundance with this, and I want to empower them in the next 3 to 5 years. So I think it's critically important. So I want to add one more thing or two more things that I learned how to clone my voice, and I learned how to create an avatar for my face. So I created a demo for the middle friends here, and I was astonished and surprised that I could see myself to speak in Lithuanian, for example, and French and German, and I personally don't speak any of these, but I could make it work. So in long term, as the second session of this, if the course is in demand, or if it's successful, then I can clone my voice and create it in other languages. So it means that I will teach more and more people, not just English speakers, but also in any other countries. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment and ask what you are especially interested in, and I will record the next videos about this topic. Thank you.